Hi, welcome to the video, practical exercises from SynapGen to enhance cognitive skills and improve decision making. So welcome to the video, my name is Dr. McIvor and today we're sharing practical exercises from SynapGen designed to enhance cognitive skills and improve decision making. So let's explore. Firstly, I want to talk about brain training exercises. SynapGen offers a variety of brain training exercises aimed at improving memory, attention and problem solving skills. One such exercise is dual and back task, which challenges working memory and cognitive flexibility. Another is a Stroop test, which enhances attention and processing speed. Next, we have in our program mindfulness and meditation practices and also self-hypnosis. Mindfulness and meditation are integral to SynapGen's approach. Practices such as focusing and focused breathing, body scans and guided visualizations help reduce stress, improve emotional regulation and enhance cognitive function. These practices train the brain to stay present and focused. We also have decision-making simulations. So decision-making simulations are practical tools SynapGen uses to improve critical thinking and decision-making skills. These simulations present real-world scenarios requiring complex problem solving and strategic thinking. By practicing in a controlled environment, individuals become more adept at making decisions under pressure. We also have cognitive behavioral techniques. Cognitive behavioral techniques are used to challenge and reframe negative thought patterns. SynapGen incorporates this and these exercises such as thought records and cognitive restructuring to help individuals develop healthier, more adaptive lifestyles thinking, leading to better decision making. We also have visualizations, hypnotic language, communications, advanced communication skills within the SynapGen. So in conclusion, SynapGen provides a suite of practical exercises to enhance cognitive skills, and you've heard only a small amount of them. There's a lot more than that, and improve decision making. By regularly engaging in these practices, individuals can achieve greater mental clarity, focus and resilience by developing new brain neural networks through neural plasticity. So I want to thank you for joining us on this video. Stay tuned for more strategies to boost your cognitive abilities. Thank you.